So we are on our way to Hollywood Studios and saw our first glimpse of the Tower of Terror. Hollywood Tower Hotel. Just saw it. Just over the... Oh, there it goes. There it is.
That's why I hate it.
Yeah. That's why I hate going on it. But we are just outside Hollywood Studios now, and we're gonna get in, do some... We're gonna go do a Star War. We're about to go into Disney Hollywood Studios. It is currently only 9:48, which is not too bad. So we are like right there in the morning.
Good morning, friends.
There we go, and already greeted. We're gonna see if our magic bands work. Hopefully they've been programmed right. Show your magic band. What magic band did you get? Orange Bird. And I went with the Star Wars one. And we're gonna go test and see if they work.
It's on the wrong arm, really.
I had it on this one because I just imagined that I would be like doing that with all kinds of stuff. I don't know. I should probably have it on the arm that I wave at things with, but I mean, yeah. We're gonna go straight to Galaxy's Edge and be as early for things there as we possibly can. And I'm very excited. I'm going to be handing the camera over to Amber so that she can fully get my reaction to things. So Amber's going to take camera duties, and we're going to see if all of our magic bands work.
Good. Same finger, same spot.
Yay! Amber's works, and
Try it up here, try it up here.
whoa! Excellent! Yay! It worked! Magic bands work! Yay! So this is the entrance tunnel to Galaxy's Edge, and we are almost inside. So Amber's going to take over filming at some point soon, and is going to get my reaction. So we're almost inside. And it's like, and now we are in Batuu, and the Black Spire outpost. And we're just gonna walk around and I can see an X-wing. Like I can already see an X-wing, and it's like it's so cool. And everything, like, oh my god, it feels like so tangible and so real. It's crazy. So we are in the queue for Rise of the Resistance because we wanted to do that first. Oh, there's another scanner here. And we're just scanning things in the queue as we go around. This is insane. That everything here is like interactive. So I've just done analyze, and you can just pick up things on your data pad that you can just use around the park, and it like unlocks stuff for you. The theming here is insane, and if you look around, it's just like everything is themed beyond belief, and it feels like you are living on Batuu. It is absolutely mental. And we got into Rise of the Resistance first because that's the ride that is going to be like the big ticket item of the day. So it was only going to get longer. So after we're off of Rise of the Resistance, we'll check in with what we thought of it. And I'll hand it back over to Amber, and as we're going around, you can film a little bit more of my reactions as we go around. She's not terrible at filming, really. She isn't terrible at filming. She thinks she is, but you're not. What do you think of this so far?
It is hot.
so much more comfortable inside. So yeah, it's crazy.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The resistance...
Well, we just got off of Rise of the Resistance. And, oh my god, what did you think?
That was scary.
That was so good. It's so much like an experience as you go all the way through. It's not just a ride. There's like things happening around you, like the people in there in the First Order, like they interact with you. They have attitudes. It's crazy. John, what did you think?
That was awesome. That was amazing. It was genuinely not the best ride I've ever been on.
No,
but by far the most incredible immersive experience.
That was...
And the fact that you're in a
Star
Destroyer hangar, and then you see the hiatus and you saw the crew loading.
Those boilers,
that was pretty cool.
That's insane. So
Amazing.
that was definitely worth waiting for. And I think we're gonna explore a little bit more of Black Spire Outpost. And yeah, I'm gonna let Amber take some filming duties to get my reactions to things. And yeah, what a way to start. So many bits and pieces and things like that. It was just like all adding to it. It's so great. It's so good. Like little details of things around the place. That's Ogre's Cantina in there, so we might see if we can go in there a little bit later on if they're doing walkouts. Falcon. So we are about to try our first ever Ronto wrap. Well, Fraser's got a Ronto wrap. We've got the vegetarian alternative. It's just kebab. It is kind of like a kebab, but you take a bite first. Let me know what you think. You take a bite out of that one.
It's messy.
My bounty hunting is not going well. I'm apparently nowhere near him, so he's evading me at the moment. Yeah?
It's fine. I don't know how to describe it.
Might have a bite. Let me have a bite and see what it's like.
Why are you having a bite of mine? You've got your own there.
Just easier. Oh, spicy! Oh, that's nice. Mmm. It's like curried veg. I like that. I think I might have my own one, just as well I have. We have just done something that is integral to an experience at Black Spire Outpost at Galaxy's Edge. We have got some blue milk.
That one tastes like
so. What do you think yours tastes? How does yours taste? Oh, that's a no on the green milk. All right, well we might switch then. Try the blue milk. Let's see what this is like. Oh, that's fruity. Here you go, switch. Yeah. It's okay. Let's see what yours tastes like. Herby, isn't it? Yeah, it kind of tastes a little herby in a way. The blue one is nice. The blue one's like refreshing. Do you want to switch? No? Well, I like the blue milk. I like the blue milk. Ah, get it right, mate! So, after our exploits with blue and green milk respectively, I like the blue milk, not so much the green milk. It was very floral. We are getting in line for Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. We're going to go find the Millennium Falcon. It's amazing in here. It's only a 65-minute wait, so doing it around now, it is about 2:30, 3 o'clock. That kind of seems to be around the right time. Seems like that's the kind of time that people tend to do lunch or whatever, or have bookings for tables or something like that. So, mid-afternoon, eat early, quick service, wait for the queues to go down, then get on. That seems to be what we should be doing. So, and look at all of this.
And there's a huge freighter dock there. Okay, guys.
Crazy. It's crazy in here. There's so much theming absolutely everywhere, and I'm all about it. I absolutely love it.
And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Back at my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll give you the supplies you need. It's a win-win.
How did you find that? Oh, okay. Not very good with the motion sickness, but yeah, it was so much fun. It's way more interactive than I thought it was going to be. It's almost like playing a massive video game that requires all of you doing stuff together. And it was, oh my god, it was so much fun. Do you have fun? No. Does that make you a bit sick? Okay. Made Amber a bit sick, but I would definitely do it again, and I'd try and get a little bit better than 13. So, as you can probably tell, looking like I just stepped out of the shower. We got a little wet. There's some rain happening. Got caught in the rain a bit, but we are in line for Amber to build a droid. So we're going to do some droid building, and we're going to see what Amber takes to build. So you can build a BB series, a rollerball one, or you can build a R series like R2D2, or a C series, which is like these ones. So that's, I think you just kind of put them together as you go. So we're gonna, what do you think you're gonna pick out of these ones? A BB unit. Yeah. You can pick whichever parts you like. So you got to get that one. Oh, that's cute. He's like little red and see-through. That looks nice. That's kind of your kind of color. Although that's nice as well.
That reminds me of High Five, that little robot. I want that one.
You want that one? Do you want one of that? Do you want that to go in him as well?
No.
You want a different colour one? Yeah. I think we are all set, yes.
Awesome. Okay. You can head to my friend Noah right down there. Just like all the way against the railing. All the way down, all the way forward, throwing it all that available.
Almost time to build your droid together. Little droidy boy. Down there in the basket, he's all bits and pieces at the moment. We're going to put it all together. Yeah. Have you come up with what he's going to be yet? Have you come up with what his name's going to be?
No, not yet. I'll decide when I see him moving around.
When he gets some sass. You put that sass chip in him. Hello there.
You want to take everything out of your box? You're going to pick out some of these coils right here, and you're going to put them going across this way. And you're going to click it into place, and then you're going to take the screwdriver and screw the bottom two screws on.
Oh, he looks so cute already.
There's that red activation button right there. Activating.
There we go. It's nice in here, but I want to come out. Oh.
She's saying, hurry up, lady.
He said, I want to go for a roll around. I want to stretch the legs that I don't have.
Test drive them off the counter. Leave the droid on. When you go I don't know, because I can't see it.
Check how he's doing in there. Hello! Yay! I think we should get him back and test him out. I'm immediately going to break it. Good morning, travellers, or as they say in Batuu, bright suns, because that is what we spent a lot of yesterday doing. So yesterday was a very full day at Hollywood Studios, almost exclusively Galaxy's Edge, Star Wars stuff, which made me very, very happy boy. Very good stuff. Rise of the Resistance was fantastic as a ride. It's not just a ride, it's a full experience. Like, the staff and the cast members that are part of that ride are in character when you go in, and it's amazing from start to finish. Don't want to give away too much because obviously if you haven't ridden that ride, I thoroughly recommend not watching too much stuff about it or knowing too much stuff about it before going in. The best way to experience it is to go in knowing very little and have everything be a surprise. So I enjoyed that happening. Last night we got caught in a torrential rainstorm as we were exiting the park. The weather yesterday was kind of spotty, like it was raining off and on some of the day. It was downpour, bright, and then from about 6:15 onwards, just constant and heavy. And walking out of the park and back to the car, we got soaked, like really, really soaked. It does signify the start of what could be a tropical storm, and today was meant to be our first day at Magic Kingdom. We are putting that on hold for now, which is a little bit disappointing, but ultimately probably for the best, because I personally, and a lot of other people agree, that doing Magic Kingdom while you're absolutely soaked is probably not the best way to go about things, and I didn't pack a cover-up, so I would be in my t-shirt and jeans getting soaked all the way through, so probably not the best plan. So instead, today we are going to be keeping ourselves dry. We're going to do some outlet shops, we might do some other local experiences that are inside around the place, and even though it's not Magic Kingdom right away, I think the fact that you cannot account for the weather at times like this, even though Florida is sunny and bright and super hot maybe 85% of the time, it is also right in the path of tropical storms, hurricanes, everything like that. They do get hit with hurricanes and tropical storms a lot. Usually around this time we would be out of the storm weather, so you wouldn't need to worry too much about it. But there is also the idea that it could happen at any time. So we've had to factor that into our plans now, and it is disappointing, but ultimately it would detract from the magic a little bit if we were soaked all the way through, having to buy ponchos. So we will see where the day takes us today. Thursday, I think, is going to be the worst of it, which is also a shame because that is our day that we were going to be going to Islands of Adventure, which for me, personally, is one of the highlights, other than Galaxy's Edge, of Orlando. So we'll see how that goes. There is a likelihood the storm will pass by at that point, but also you don't need to book days for going to Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure, you can just rock up, and if you've got tickets for the time that you're here, then you've got tickets and you can just go in. You don't need to have a pre-booked park day for it, so that's fine. I don't need to worry too much about that. Ultimately though, we're going to see where the day takes us today and adapt our plans accordingly. So, bright suns to you all, and we will see what happens. Good afternoon, viewers. You join me from the comfort of Le Hot Tub. Come in and get comfortable. So, yesterday was a little bit of an experience. As I said, we are currently in the middle of a tropical storm hitting Florida. Apparently it is the first tropical storm to hit in November in 35 years, which is a little bit irritating for us here. I didn't check in all that much yesterday because we were kind of rushing around a little bit to do things. We went to outlet shops, which was really nice. I got some useful things. And then in the evening we went to a basketball game, the Orlando Magic versus the Dallas Mavericks. I couldn't take a bag in, so I had to put my bag into a locker, which had the camera in it, but I did take some footage on my phone, so if there's a change in quality, it's because that's from my phone and not from my camera. But it was a good evening. We won, which was a plus, and even though today, it is now currently about 1:30-ish, we were meant to be doing Islands of Adventure today. Obviously that can't happen, which is disappointing for me, because Islands of Adventure was one of the big ticket things that I was really looking forward to, aside from Galaxy's Edge. We're looking at doing Hollywood Studios again tomorrow because I have an appointment to build a lightsaber, which is going to be very exciting. But today was meant to be our Islands of Adventure day. For now though, I'm going to come with me as I turn some jets on, have a bit of a soak. I need one of these for home. Good morning once again, fair travellers. It is Friday morning, our first Friday in the States, and Tropical Storm Nicole has now buggered off permanently because she got the feeling that she wasn't welcome, and I think she finally got the message. So Nicole's buggered off now, and as you can see, bright sunny skies from here on out, which is all we really ask for. It's not a lot really from the Sunshine State. Yesterday I didn't film too much because we really just went to Florida Mall, and like an idiot I left my camera at home again, and I didn't really want to be using up all the battery on my phone for ages, so maybe we'll do a little run through of all of the things we bought. Maybe that's what we'll do over the weekend. We'll do a video of all of the things we've bought so far while out here, and just think about the amount of money that we've spent. So, we are today heading back to Hollywood Studios, so you'll see a little bit more of Hollywood Studios. We have some exciting stuff planned again at Galaxy's Edge, because obviously, you know, it's not like we took in enough of it on Monday or Tuesday. Oh, the days blend together out here, I must say. And then we're going to go see some of the rest of the park of Hollywood Studios. And as far as the evening stuff goes, not much planned, but it could be a very chilled out one. We might leave the parks late afternoon, come back and get ready for Saturday and Sunday and the weekend. So we'll see where the fair day takes us. So we're here in Hollywood Studios. I'm about to go and build a lightsaber, which is very exciting. And there's someone else joining us for the day. Oh, he's so cute! Look at him! The lady at the front desk was like, can I pet him? And we're like, yeah, he's friendly. He's a resistance droid, so he's nice and friendly. And she was like, I needed that for my heart today. So he's going to come into Galaxy's Edge with us and feel like he's at home. Aren't you? He's very quiet. He's quiet at the moment. He hasn't fully woken up, but yeah. We might also see if we can ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway as well. What do you think? That would be cool. I actually forgot that that was a ride here. So we might try and get on that and possibly Slinky Dog Dash later on as well. But for now, we are going to head to a galaxy far, far away and go back to, bloody hell, it's bright. Go back to Batuu, is what I was trying to say until the sun got in my eyes. Yes. The atmosphere here is vibrant. So I have chosen my lightsaber style. We are checked in at Savvy's to get some scrap metal. That's what you have to describe it as if anyone asks. Because you're not supposed to have lightsabers around Batuu. It's weapons, no, it's scrap metal. And I have gone with protection and defense, which I feel is a really good one. You could choose elemental nature, you could choose wisdom, or power and passion. So there's like different kind of styles of lightsabers for different factions. But I've gone with power and protection, which I get this shiny little pin from. And I'm going to give this to someone soon, and we're going to go in and build a lightsaber.
My builders to the left, my guests stay behind your builder at all times, and just be mindful of these chambers, alright? Our chambers are a bit temperamental, so I wouldn't lean on them, I wouldn't touch them, I don't want anyone to get a shot. Welcome to the workshop! Woo! Yes, thank you, I know, it's a lot, and to us it's everything. Now I see you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kembe. And yes, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk! Yay! Now, we all know the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Yes, good. Well, we hear there's another. A new Jedi. She was a scrapper like us. What's her name?
Rey.
Rey, yes. And what she is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. That is why you are here. To look ahead to the future. And you're here today to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of the galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, for the saber is a reflection of its builder, with the Force flowing between them. And today you will feel that connection. We start with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. You might recognize these from our myths and legends. Blue. Like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn. Ahsoka Tano. Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. Beautiful and rare. Like the one wielded by the great Jedi warrior, Mace Windu. Red. The color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. What crystal is calling out to you? What color do you see in your mind? Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. And remember, friends, that kyber crystal, it might very well be choosing you. And the center of control, the hilt, is also the thing that keeps your hand from being disintegrated. So it's important. If the box is in front of you, you'll find all the components you need to construct your very own lightsaber. They have been arranged by our gatherers to facilitate this build. Now here you will find your chassis, your activation plates, your grips, your emitter, and your pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you have selected your crystal, you will now select the components that make up your own unique lightsaber's design.
Towards the vent. You're going to use your thumbs and push the crystal up into the chamber. In the middle. Choose whichever pair you like best.
I kind of like that one. I don't know, what do you think?
I like them both, actually.
Yeah, they're both very nice.
Very good.
I think I'll go with this one.
Alright. Alright, for your grips.
Okay.
Choose 2 of the 4, whichever 2 you want. One goes on top, one goes on bottom, and the copper rim goes in the middle. Whichever 2 you want. The choice is yours. Anyone. This can be top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Mix and match to your heart's content. Now from column 3, choose one of the emitters. The emitter will go on the top, and you twist it like a bottle.
This is so cool. This is so cool.
Upside down. And you have column 4, 2 different pommel caps to pick from.
Oh, definitely this one. 100%.
I agree.
So this is the one that I've built. I think that this is very, very cool. It's proper metal, so it's got a really good weight to it.
These components are actually some of our oldest. You have them here as well. They date back to the Old Republic. Yes? Now we believe that this style was used by the Temple Guard. Yes. The protectors of the Jedi Order, so I'm glad that that's calling out to you. Follow in their footsteps, protect the galaxy, protect those close to you, protect the team. In fact, on your handle, that's actually ancient Jedi writing. Do you know what that says?
I would love to know.
I don't know either. No one knows. It hasn't been spoken for generations. But it called out to you. It might reveal itself. If it does, please return to us. Very good, my friends. Let it guide you. Well done. What's happening?
Well done. Chosen approach with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. My friends, in a moment I will invite you to step forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber. Then, on my command, we will all activate our lightsabers together. Builders, are you ready?
Yes!
Then step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate. Now raise your lightsaber. Congratulations, my friends. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Your journey is just beginning. You are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you have built. It is time to make your mark across the galaxy. For who knows, next time, we may be telling your story. Raise and activate your lights. Till the spire. Till the spire. The galaxy awaits, my friends, and you can lead us. Right to that door. Welcome, my friends. Go and seek your destiny.
So, we've just come out of Savi's workshop, and this is the lightsaber that I built. I am borderline holding it together at the moment because that experience was just really, really cool from start to finish. The whole light show that happens, the whole doing it all together, the process of building it is so cool, and it's like, it's very bright out, so it's hard to see the color, but it is bright blue. I might go and get a yellow kyber crystal to go into it because I like the idea of having a yellow blade with this. But
show it off.
it's just, this is proper metal, and it's really, really cool. Very shiny. So, we're gonna go and do some other stuff around Batuu and Black Spire Outpost. I'll try to keep this out of sight of stormtroopers, but yeah, this is great, and you can just pop it into this afterwards to keep it protected, which is fantastic. I'll probably put the blade in there, but I'll keep the lightsaber around. So we are in Ogre's Cantina. We just made it in. It was a bit of a last minute thing, I'll tell you that much. We literally just made it in. But this is Ogre's Cantina. It was a walk up to 2 people. We were very, very lucky. And we got DJ Rex spinning some tunes. You just look around, there's bits and pieces all above the bar. It's absolutely crazy how much attention to detail there is. So we're going to get some drinks, we'll put some photos up of our drinks and whatever we get to eat, and yeah, this is going to be a real experience. So Amber got some Ogre's Obsession, which is like, it's not alcoholic, but it's like jelly. Can I try a little bit? Yeah, let me try a little bit. Oh wow! Oh, that's got like popping bits in it. That's got like popping little pearls. Oh, that is insane. That's really good. So Amber just got a carbon freeze drink, and would you bloody look at that? Look at it go! That is literally popping all over the place. These are little eggs in there, so you've got to chew those up really good. Oh my god! Oh yeah, no, that is moving all over the place. Oh wow, that is fizzy. What do you think?
It's okay.
Yeah? I want to know what those pearls are like. You're gonna have to munch those pretty quick. Okay, so we have gone across the park to Toy Story Land, and we are at Woody's Lunchbox. Come on and have some fun. And we ordered some plant-based tachos. They've started doing so much plant-based. This was $10. Look how much stuff you get. It's actually quite a lot. What do you think of it? Is it good?
I haven't tried it.
I haven't tried it. Okay. I'm gonna try some. Is that good? This is basically vegan chili, plant-based sour cream, and tater tots. Oh wow. Oh, that's really good. I think somewhere in here there are some, yes, there's some little tortilla chips as well. Well, that's crunchy. Wow. And you know, for $10, I thought it was going to be like a small amount. I mean, look at the size of it compared to you. It's absolutely massive in comparison to you. That's gigantic, so you definitely get a lot. Yeah. So good shout. So Woody's Lunchbox is the new star of the show for food at the moment.
You can set your bag right over here on the red.
Thank you. It's nice, isn't it? It's nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot it was at home. In England.
Oh my god. Like home. Yeah. So I can't get it.
Yeah. No, she's gonna stay here. Is that all right?
Yes. Right up there.
There's room upstairs, is there? Is there room for two or just the one? No. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. We spent some time at Hollywood Studios doing some Mickey-related stuff. Got on a bus, and now we are at the Polynesian Village Resort. This place is somewhere that I've wanted to. You got so excited that you got hiccups. Yes. This is a place that I've wanted to kind of visit after hearing that it existed, because I feel like this is the most heavily themed out of all of the hotels at Disney. And you can just go to one of the hotels and just hang out there and go and eat there, provided you have reservations. And there's things to do at the hotels that aren't just for the guests, which is great. Polynesian Resort is also the hotel where John Lennon signed the contract to leave the Beatles. So there's history here as well. But this whole place just looks incredible. And it is right up my street as far as tiki things go, and little, like, you know, totems and flame torches. This is actually absolutely my vibe. Like, if it wasn't Hawaiian music playing, it would probably be ska. So I feel like that's my vibe. But anyway, we're gonna go inside and have a look around, have a little bit of a mooch, maybe go have some drinks, some posh, fruity Hawaiian drinks. We'll see. Oh.